Imagine a person holding a ball above the ground. If the ball is released, it will fall down to the ground. We could argue that the ball falls because of the gravitational force exerted by the Earth on the ball. Alternatively, we could argue that the ball falls to minimize the gravitational potential energy of this system. While correct, both of these explanations imply that the Earth and the ball are aware of each other. This results in the following question. How does the ball know that the Earth is there? In this class, we will explain the origin of long-range interactions such as this, using the concepts of potential and field. Potentials and fields are alterations of space around an object. The interactions of other objects with potentials and fields give rise to potential energies and long-range forces. Let's consider a system that consists of a single object. We argue that this object alters the space around it, creating a potential and an associated field. The magnitude of both of these alterations decrease as the distance from the object increases. The potential and field are intrinsic properties of the object. In other words, the potential and field of the object exist whether or not another object is present to interact with them. When another object is present, it will interact with the potential and field of the first object. These interactions generate the potential energy and force that exist between these two objects. Since the magnitudes of the potential and field decrease with increasing distance from the object, the magnitudes of the potential energy and force also decrease with increasing separation of these two objects. So we could argue the ball moves because it is interacting with the Earth's gravitational potential and gravitational field. The ability of the ball to sense the gravitational potential or field of the Earth is how the ball is aware that the Earth is there. To summarize, potential energy and field are intrinsic properties of an object. They exist whether or not another object interacts with them. Potential energy and force exist between two objects. They arise from the interaction of one object with the potential or field of the other object.